You already know the vibe, man. Hold on, man. Another day, another BMW Pro, man. Shit. But you already know what the vibes is, man. It's your boy Southpaw. We back with another vlog. Today, and I've had a few things done to the car. You know what I'm saying? I worked on a couple of things. I ended up seeing something that was unplugged in the engine. I don't know what that plug-in was. And I ended up figuring out what the plug was, and I ended up plugging it in. To be honest, I still don't know what that plug does, but okay, speed bumps. But yeah, right now I'm just about to go pick up my dog Shaba. And then once he jumps in the whip, I'm finna fly down to GT Tires. I'm gonna go and get an alignment and get my wheels balanced. I still haven't gotten alignment, and I got a bunch of work done. So it's kind of driving a little, I don't know, shaky and shit like that, you know. Wheels off balance, you know, shit like that. We're about to do that, and then we're about to plug back to the shop to check, to get an update on Shaba's car. I guess they've been working on it. And summer's about to be done, and he didn't have his car the whole summer, man. I know he pissed, man. So I would have been pissed too, you know, summer about to be done. But at least hopefully he gets it before, you know, before September at least. But we're about to go find out exactly what's going on with this car and shit. But yeah, anyways, man, yeah, I'm about to go pick him up. I'll let y'all know when I get there. You already know the vibe, man. Make sure, oh yeah, by the way, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Don't be watching and not like, commenting, and subscribing. Oh shit, RP, man. RP to everyone. But yeah, anyways, man. Your boy Sauce, you know the vibes. We know the vibes, man. We just got to the shop. I'm saying, I try to clean my little car a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's a little dirty, but I don't know if you can see if it's dark or not, but yeah. And here we got Shaba in the cut. I'm saying, coming along, man. This car's coming along. About to see what he's doing, you know what I'm saying? Just, yeah, what are you doing right now, man?
Man, I'm coating this bitch, bro.
Oh, you're coating it?
Yeah.
Gee.
I take off the start stop.
Okay.
You know, just made my shit sport.
Oh, yeah, facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, Shaba's not wasting no time.
To clean this bitch, bro. It's so fucking dirty.
Bro, that was like my shit. Remember mine? Now it's like at least decent. Now when I go do the details, it's gonna be even, you know?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fucking A1.
Go to a detail, it's gonna feel like a brand new whip.
Exactly, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cause I heard they be shining it up and shit. Yeah, I need to go do that.
When you clean these up, they look brand new, man. Even though the car is fucking well over 10 years old.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Nah, no bap. No bap. But yeah, you know the car's coming along. Got
No bap.
saying at least it starts now, right? Yeah, you know the vibe, man. We out here, man. Bimmer graveyard. Trying to really see what the vibes is. Fuck, it's hot out today too, man.
That sun needs to go away.
Yeah, the sun needs to go. That's what I'm saying. I'm cooking right here, bro. Fuck, it's crazy. But yeah, man, we're at the Bimmer. Actually, we're at the fucking graveyard, bro. All these cars are graveyard cars.
Hurry up so I can just take it off.
No, Bob. The interior. It's looking clean. I need to go find Scotty, man. I need it. And the boy Stewie doing some labor today. Look at him. Lazy ass nigga, man.
Fucking M fucking 2. Yeah, boy Saucy.
Let's
Never
go.
gonna see this video, he's gonna hide it.
They'll kill me, bro. Put in some work.
Filming Stewie work.
Yeah, man. It's just doing a little bit of labor over there, man.
Slider in there, Mike.
Alright, hold on. So let me see. The camera got
Yeah.
The cable that plugs into it.
Alright, bro. What angle?
Where do you find that?
Where are you going?
Found it. It's right here. So I'm trying to put this temperature sensor in. So you can see that I found it. So I'm trying to plug it. I don't even know which one I'm plugging in. Oh shit. Where the rest of these screws? Let's drop them. Fuck. Look at it.
No idea.
Stewie's an idiot, man. Look at all those. Yo, there should be more screws here. I need those, actually.
Yeah, the screws.
There it is. Supposed to be a few more. You help me find. Oh, actually, right here. I found them. Alright, we're good. Alright. You can see clear? Look on the camera?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, we can see.
I don't even know how to plug this fucking bitch in. Is your front way back? Yo. I'm assuming. That's not how it goes. That's it. Let me try the other way. Nah, that's not the way. It's this. Think it's in. Heard it clip. Oh fuck.
That's where you put it.
Huh? Looks like it's in, right? You see?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see where the tighten and shit. Where the fuck is this bitch go again?
Oh, I think. Hold on. I think you have to put it like here.
Yeah.
I don't know, something like this.
Yeah.
But I don't know what way.
Is it outside?
Maybe you have to put it on the inside. Maybe you have to put it in somewhere and then put it on the inside. I think you almost got it. And then pull it. Yeah, you're like almost there. And then yeah, I think this. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go.
That's supposed to go. Okay. Now it's just the first.
It's going.
One.
Is this the thing?
Yeah. Yo. You don't have to go all the way. Let's just put a few of them just like by hands.
No, it's not all the way in.
It's not even.
It's not even in. No? So I'm trying to. Okay, wait. How do I fucking do this again?
It's in loosey righty tighty, bro. Oh, it's in loose right now.
It's loose right now?
Yeah, so we have to switch it.
Switch it. Alright, so. Righty. Okay, well.
My hands are getting tired, my boy.
This is.
So try the next one.
I'm just gonna. They're all small. That's the thing.
Okay. Yeah, they are.
You can almost. Alright, if it's almost. Why is he so small? Or are you supposed to push it through?
I'm trying to see here. Yo, those brackets. Yeah, is it on the outside? Like, cause I see it. Screw. But like, what the fuck's supposed to hold it though? Like,
right.
Like, what the fuck? This bracket's supposed to go on? Hold on. Fuck. Yeah, I'm trying to think here. It's gotta make sense. Oh, maybe that has to be on the inside then.
Inside?
Like, yeah, because it would only make sense, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we have to push these inside. Push these.
Okay. Yeah.
That makes sense. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. There you go. Okay. Make sure it lines up.
Yeah, it's good now.
Make sure it catches it. Make sure you get the feeler.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
There you go. Fuck. You got the next one?
Yeah, no, a little bit more work into it, but.
You got two of them?
Huh?
You got
Yeah,
two
I
of
got
them?
2 of them.
Are those the ones you can see? Oh yeah.
That one is a far one.
How far from?
It's further in.
Yeah, it's further in.
The one closest to you was all of them.
You sure? Where's the third one?
A few moments later.
Fuck. Putting some fucking labor work today, man. Got this thing on the jack.
Ooh, yeah, I felt the raindrop.
Off the raindrop. But yo, then there's supposed to be. Okay, I got it. Never mind. These 3 screws. I'm gonna save those. And dirty. Oh yeah, man. It's fucking starting to rain right now. While spitting. I don't know if it's gonna rain, but I'm fucking tired as fuck. At least you put the temp sensor on. Got a couple screws. The rest of them, the original, I don't want to put all them in right now because I'll probably have to come back tomorrow or the next day to change. To basically take the bumper off thing, you know, trying to do the fitment. Cause yo, look at this fitment. Look how horrible this fitment is. Like, bro, look at the spacing. What the fuck? Look at the spacing, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, man. Fuck. Yeah, so I guess we'll leave it at that. That fitment, huh? Huh? Yeah.
Oh, fuck, my bad.
No, bro, you're good, bro.
Man, I didn't know.
Good guy, you know, vlogging the journey is bullshit. Fucking BMW, fucking shit. It's fucking every day is something else, bro. Fuck. Alright? So what?
Like these fucking hoes.
No bap. And then we got Alex's E90. He be beating this bitch up, man. He be beating this bitch up. Alright, let me go get a sweet for a second, man. 1 second, man. Bro, I only put 2 screws in it, bro. I couldn't really reach that, you know what I'm saying? Too much in there.
But don't lose it and say you need another one.
No, they're tight though.
So get more.
I have more, I just can't reach the next part, man.
Alright.
I'm too big, nigga.
You gotta lay on that ground, bro.
None of those rocks,
Dog
man.
shit.
I don't know, I got fuck.
Tell me, you get a fucking little like a tower.
Brother, fuck man, my back's hurting, man. Leave me alone. I'm back from the first time labor in the car, man. I'm joking.
Every time I'm a union.
No, it's about to start raining. I'm trying to put this shit down.
Where you going, bro? You're not allowed out yet.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna turn this shit off.
It's gonna rain, be careful. Call me if you need a ride. Be home by 10.
I told you. Yo, Scotty, man, where your plates at, man? Oh, you found it? Oh, that's. Yo, Scotty, you too funny, man. Yo, to bring this thing down, I have to what? Spin it. Yo, boy, Scotty, man, he's got a profession. Yeah, it's about to start raining. I was trying to fucking.
Yeah, pop it up.
Huh? No, I want to put it down. Put the card down.
Oh, put on the car?
Yeah, just. I'm trying to make sure I don't fuck it up. Should I drop it too fast? No, I'll bring it back in.
Okay.
Respect, brother. So you'll be back here tomorrow, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Take a cheers.
Alright, later, brother. Fuck, triple down, man. Oh yeah, roll the windows though. Yo, it does that, yo. You have to. Yo, close the door. Close the door. Let's let it try for a second. That's all. Oh, no, this is not the time for that right now.
No bad.
That's why I tell you not to leave too much, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing, yeah, bro. Hold it though, like press and hold it, don't let go.
Press and hold it?
Yeah. Alright, stop. Yo, nah, we have to speak. Yo, where's my boy quick, man? Yo, nah, this is not the time. Oh, yeah, roll out the windows at least. Yo, every single one of them. The back ones too. And yeah, the sunroof. It's not the time for this right now, bro.
No bad.
The battery died, bro. Professional
That's
fucking
crazy.
piece of shit. Yeah, it's about to rain.
The window is working. At least it whipped out super hot.
Yeah, I know, no bap. Yeah, let me fucking. Alright, yo, vlog. You already know the vibes, man. I'm gonna put this in the middle. I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna put this in the middle console. You open up, middle thing. You don't need one, nigga. Fuck. I'm gonna have to get Alex to come and fucking boost me, man. Fuck. Piece of shit. I already know it, fam. Fuck. I literally have to program the battery. So, alright, bro, to be honest, I'm trying to go buy a new battery.
No bad.
No bap, like, fuck, man. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Starting spitting. So, you know where we at, man? It's about to rain. Man, that was enough for today, man. I ain't really vlog too much, you know? I was actually doing a bunch of labor around, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get parts and shit, but basically what I found out, I have to get a new O2 sensor. About to order one tonight. And then I have to, or the temperature sensor, which I just put in right now. I have to put more screws in there, but fuck. About to rain, man. I ain't got time trying to get wet, man. Fuck all that. But, yeah, I got that. O2 sensor, about to order it. And then what else I had to do? There's one more thing. There's one more. I have no clue what the one more thing is, but there was one more thing I had to do. I just can't remember. Anyways, man, you already know the vibe, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. You know this, man. It's your boy Sauce, and I'm out.
Sauce it up, man.
Bad bitch, you from the D. Talking about saucy, where you at? Brand new Glock, it stays on me. Marshall boys, no, I cannot laugh. I'm with Honcho, with no Wrangles. Catching up and we leaving flat. Hit the strip, then we toss some ones. Paying host wish, been doing that. So much dough just come and goes. Swapping out the card, I'm gonna get some more. Check your phone, I just sent the link. Click that shit, I'm gonna spend some more. Brand new whip, got it out the store. Glizzy made him lean like a portal 4. Had that boy licking, had to mop the floor. Heard the fast coming, so I had to go.